how to fix TikTok ruining quality. So, if you're uploading something on TikTok and the quality is worse, then there is a fix. What you can do is open up your TikTok application. Now you can simply go for the plus icon, which is on the bottom middle. And now you can simply take a TikTok or a video. And after choosing your video, now if you want to upload it to your highest quality, then what you can do is here you will have more options on the middle of your screen. Tap on more options, and under your more options, scroll down, and here you will have allow high quality uploads. So you need to simply turn that on, and after turning that on, higher quality videos may take some long time to upload, and after that your videos will be uploaded on a high quality on TikTok. And after toggling on that option, now you can simply go for post, which will be on the bottom right. And after posting, your video will be uploaded on the highest quality and your TikTok quality will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix your TikTok ruining quality. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.